We have reached the 41st Bible quiz. Here again, we will give 20 questions to be answered in 5 minutes. If you think the time is not enough, please pause the phone and then proceed once your answer is ready. Shall we start? Question 1. In the Bible, who is called the Word of God? Jesus Christ. Refer John 1:14. Question 2. In God's creation, what was the last thing that He created? Man, who was made in his own image. Refer Genesis 1:26. Question 3. Which of Abraham's brothers died before they left their native land? Haran, the father of Lot. Refer Genesis 11:28. Question 4. In the Bible, it is mentioned that as a punishment for disobeying God's command, a woman became a pillar of salt. Who was she? Lot's wife. Refer Genesis 19:26. Question 5. When Abraham was about to sacrifice his son, an angel stopped him, and instead of the son, what did God provide him to offer? A ram caught in a thicket by his horns. Refer Genesis 22:13. Question 6. In calming the storm, what did Jesus say to the sea? Peace be still. Mark 4:39. Question 7. What is the meaning of the word Jehovah Jireh? The Lord will provide. Refer Genesis 22:14. Question 8. How old was Sarah when she died? 127 years. Refer Genesis 23:1. Question 9. How old was Abraham when he died? 175 years. Refer Genesis 25:7. Question 10. How many sons did Isaac have? Twin sons, Esau and Jacob. Refer Genesis 25:24-26. Question 11. Was it Esau who planned to kill Jacob, or Jacob who planned to kill Esau? It was Esau who planned to kill Jacob. Refer Genesis 27:41. Question 12. Who asked for John the Baptist's head? Herodias, the wife of King Herod Antipas, was the mastermind who asked for John's head. Refer Matthew 14:6-12. Question 13. Where did Paul see an altar erected to an unknown God? In Athens. Refer Acts 17:23. Question 14. Where did Cornelius, the devout and God-fearing centurion, live? At Caesarea. Refer Acts 10:1. Question 15. Where were the followers of Christ first named Christians? In Antioch. Refer Acts 11:26. Question 16. Who was Hagar in the Bible? Hagar was an Egyptian girl who was a slave to Abraham's wife Sarah. Refer Genesis 16:1. Question 17. How old was Joseph when his brothers sold him into slavery? 17. Refer Genesis 37:2. Question 18. Who was the father-in-law of Moses? Jethro. Refer Exodus 3:1. Question 19. What was Paul's occupation? Tent making. Refer Acts 18:3. Question 20 and the last question. Which apostle first suffered martyrdom? James. Acts 12:2. We shall meet again with 20 more questions and answers from the Bible. May God bless you.